So here's trending app which is called What3words. In case you explore and you're completely confused what this app is about, I will just show you in this tutorial. So this app is about navigation. It's about meeting people, but in a kind of trendy and fun way. So any location, as I understand, any square meter, it might be not square meter, might be 2 square meters at this part, I don't know. Every 10-foot square has been given a unique combination of 3 words, a What3words address. You can find, share, and navigate to precise location using 3 simple words. So find your way anywhere in the world using just 3 words. Plan exact meetup location, help people find your apartment, business, or Airbnb. Always find your way back to your parking space, save key location, save your favorite memorable spots, guide people to accessible entrances, and all of that. So yeah, basically, as you can see, the map is just located in all these like 10-foot squares. And yeah, just every point on planet has 3 words combination code. Let's just open it up. So for example, this is Copenhagen, and then you can just tap on any place, and then it just has this address. So here you can enable different types of views. You can search for these locations. And yeah, just explore the city and just have that. So display settings. So something like that. I was just thinking, so here you can enable map settings, distant units. You can change all of these settings. You can enable dark mode. You can change language. Something like that. And basically, if you just zoom in, a bit more, you will see that there are all these like 10 square foot points. And each of them has these 3 words code, which you can see in the top. So why would you need to have that? Well, there is like fun element and there is real practical element to it. So like fun, of course, instead of like telling to your colleagues or your like friends, like where is your place is, or where is your place is, or where is this cafe or something, instead of telling a boring address, you can just say like shop grades beaters or groups muddy probable. So that's one case. And another case is actually pretty practical. Sometimes addresses can be super hard to find. Even if you have like this street number 57, sometimes the entrance can be in completely different building, and then that building has like, it's not on that address. Probably you have been in that situation where you want to enter some street or some building, but the address of the building is super wide, or the building can be super big, and you exactly don't know where the door is, or where the entrance, or where the exact spot. So this can be one of solutions where you just say this, and that's that, and then you just have this address, and then people can exactly know where to have access, and exactly this 10 square foot where there is entrance, for example, or where there is this door or something like that. I've been in plenty of situations where I have the exact address, you enter it in Google Maps, and then you can see that it's like a building, or like 200-meter building or something like that, and you just have no idea where exactly that is. Well, of course, you can create a pin in Google Maps, but some people don't know how to do it, and then it just creates confusion. So maybe it's just stupider, or like just add like these 3 words. And then you can also scan. So you can scan 3-word address. You can dictate it. Limit broom flip. So anyhow, you got the idea. You can also navigate to any point. You can use What3words compass. and then it will just navigate you. You can navigate using Google Maps from your current location. Just as you usually do. Yeah, and then you can just save this location. You can just play with it. There is some photo mode where you can add photos. And also, yeah, we can just go through features. So if you want to find some address, just enter this in the address. So yeah, so let's just do it together. For example, like that, and then you're just instantly redirected like this. So super easy to find any address in this app. To share the address, you can just tap share in the bottom. So just tap share, and then yeah, you will be able to share it. And then, for example, this is how it might look like. Yep. What else? You can navigate, as I showed you. You can save. You can search for any address. Just search for any 3 words, and you can also guess if there is any address like this. So then, yeah, you can see that there is actually there are actually addresses like that. Yeah, so something like that. Search with voice scan. You can also share with photo. Share a photo with a 3-word address, and then yeah, and then you can just share that. So that's an interesting feature. So something like that. So just tap photo mode, and then you can just tap a photo. And then you can just, yeah, zoom in to select the square where the photo was taken. So something like that, yeah, and then you can just share it. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, there is a community. You can join their jobs portal, whatever. There are settings. So you can change distance units, as I showed. You can see map settings, search settings, all of that. You can just see it, and then yeah, you can also delete your account if you're not happy without your privacy or data. You just want to be sure, just delete your account. So that's the point of the app. Pretty fun idea, but as I said, it can be also super practical, and that's why this app is kind of getting in the top charts in the US App Store. It was there for a while. I think I did a review of this app already like a year ago, but now it's kind of getting even bigger, and probably it went viral on TikTok. So yeah, hope this overview was helpful, and thank you for watching.